So today guys, welcome to our second vlog video about database normalization. So today guys, what we're going to know is what is about normalization, database normalization. So first, let's define what is database normalization. So database normalization is the process of removing redundant data from your tables to improve storage efficiency, data integrity, and scalability. In relational model, method exists for clarifying how efficient a database is. These classifications are called normal forms or NF, and there are algorithms for converting a given database between them. Normalization generally involves splitting existing tables into multiple ones, which must be rejoined or linked each time a query is issued. So what we have here is not normalized table about fast food. So first, a problem of our table is this table is not very efficient with storage. Then this design does not protect data integrity. And then third, this table does not scale well. So in our table, we have two violations in our first normal forms. So our first violation is where we have more than one food name in our fast food field. And then our second violation, our branch field contains more than one piece, which is more minute burger. With more than one value in a single field, it will be very difficult to search for all the menu on a fast food. So here we normalize our table. So first normalization table. So we have fast food, the fries, and the branch. And then here the information is stored in a relational table, and each column contains atomic values, and there are not repeating groups of columns, which is atomic values. So here we created not repeating groups of columns. So I divided the table into two. So the fast food and the fries, and then the fast food and the branch. So a better solution to our problem would be to separate tables. So here, a fast food table and a fries table. And then the fast food name, and the branch. So each table has a primary key used for joining tables together with the querying data. Primary key value must be unique in the table. With no two fast food can have the same food ID. And a primary key is then also an index which is feed up a relational retrieval based on the primary key. So now let's proceed to our second normal form. So here we have the composite key and the partial independence key. So as the first normal form deals with redundancy of data across the horizontal row, second normal form or the 2NF deals the redundancy of data in a vertical columns. So as stated earlier, the normal forms are progressive. To achieve the second normal form, the table must be readied in the first normal form. So the other requirements for second normal form is that you cannot have any data in the table with a composite key that does not relate to all portions of our composite key. So here we have a composite key, French fries, the fast food name, the fast food fries, and the branch, and we have the partial independence, fast food date of purchase, and fast food dine-in or take-out. So the fast food date of purchase is the partial independence of our fast food name, and also the fast food dine-in and dine-out. So that's all for second NF. So let's proceed to our third normal form. So here in our normal form, we have fast food ID, fast food name, fast food price, fast food branch, fast food street, and fast food city. So in our 3NF, third normal form requires that there are no functional dependency on non-key attributes on other than the candidate key. So a table in a 3NF, if all the non-primary key attributes are mutually independent, there should not be a transitive dependency. So here we have a primary we get the primary key of our fast food table. So in here we have our new result about our fast food table detail. So our primary key is the fast food ID, the fast food name, the price, and the branch. So our dependency is the branch, the street, and the city. So that's all about database normalization. So thank you for listening, guys.